in place that recognizes that when you have entered into netting agreements, those should prevail, then that is when it becomes effective. Under our current laws generally, it is very difficult to come to a conclusion that when you have netting arrangements, it would actually prevail when there is an insolvency. It may be that a liquidator, because of a lot of other powers that the liquidator has, can frustrate your ability to be able to enforce your close-out netting positions. So that's why we are asking for a law to be passed such that industries, banks, and firms that want to participate in the derivatives and repos market would be able to do so with certainty that the legal framework that we have allows for them to be able to hedge their exposures to one another, and that when it comes to that, the counterparty's insolvency would not affect the particular arrangements that they have entered into. So luckily, we have some law that's about to come up, which sort of recognizing netting agreements and suggest that they will prevail against liquidators even when liquidators are appointed. So if we are able to pass this law, then we will be in a position where the country will become netting compliant and will open us up to international market activity and financial market activity in the country. If we are able to place ourselves in a position where we can become netting compliant, the financial sector will boom. And if the financial sector is going to boom and we are able to mitigate risks, our financial institutions will become more robust. There would be new job opportunities and employment that are available to people working in compliance, people working in information technology, and people working in collateral management, because that market will now open up for people to be able to work in those industries. And the expertise of the country itself would be enhanced. And Ghana will be recognized as indeed a financial hub for the sub-region. But we need to have in place laws that permit this to occur. And I know that the Ministry of Finance is working on something of that nature, and they've actually set up a committee that's looked into the law, and we have seen and commented on the particular provisions that are supposed to go into a proposed insolvency bill, corporate insolvency bill, that's, I think, being championed by Garia. So on that basis, we would say that we are taking the right steps.